Okay, now I'm going to do a grinder chain on this side instead of the opposite side. I did okay, I got it check if it's still recording. Yes, it is. Okay, I am going to take the hoof fall down a little bit on this side because when it's big like this, it just takes extra time to sand it down with the grinder. And many people think that the grinder is very invasive, but it takes a long time to be invasive with a little tool like this. Okay, it's gonna be a little loud. There. I don't really like to put the leg in between here. Yes, what I was saying was if I put my leg in between, sometimes a little particle, something will shoot up and boink her somewhere. And it's just usually a tiny bit of a pebble or something. And it doesn't happen very often, but you can scare the horse that way a little bit. Once they get used to it, they don't seem to care much about that either way. She's got a very odd foot. But it's pretty. Oops.